Hi everyone and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to assign materials to your Tyflow objects. So I'm going to choose a view that I want to render, perhaps even the view where the balls are overflowing from the container. And then I'm going to select the Tyflow and go into the modifier and open the editor. So under shape, you want to add material ID. So once material ID has been selected, I'm going to change the ID from static to random. This just allows me to use whatever material data I want to use. And then I'm going to minimize this and open up my material editor. So in the material editor, I can choose a material or make a new material and assign it to the objects. So I could choose this and assign it. And then my objects would have that wall paint material. I could also put glass on them if I wanted. And then they look a bit more like bubbles. Could assign any material to them. But I think I'm going to make a custom material. So I'm going to choose a plain material, go a physical material and change it to perhaps a matte plastic. By choosing the matte plastic, it just means that I'm giving the balls a more rubber-like look. So first I'm going to change the color to something more fun. Maybe I'll go a bright yellow or bright green. And then I will select it and then select the Tyflow icon so that my balls are collected and then go assign material to selection. So we can also apply multiple colors to our balls. So if you go material and then get material, and I'm going to use multi-sub / sub object. And with this, I've got multiple different IDs and materials that I can apply to the balls. So I'm going to apply 4 different colors. So everything below, I'm just going to delete. And then I'm just going to select the submaterial none and then collect matte plastic. Press OK, and then choose the base color as maybe a pink or purple. And then I'll go back to the material list and I will copy and I will paste it as a copy into each of the other instances and then change their colors so that there are multiple different colors of balls in the view. And then once that's applied, I can just go assign to material. And now I've got many different colored balls falling into my container. But what I want is my container to also be different. So I'm going to apply solid glass to my container. But I'm going to change the base color to maybe a red or an orange color. And then change my transparency to about 0.7. And then press apply material. And now I have a clear plastic or glass container with my balls all falling inside. So now you can close your editor and open up your render. Press yes. So I'm rendering in V-Ray. And as you can see, we have a black screen. That is because there is no light in this instance. There is nothing to light up the object. So I'm going to go create, and under lights and V-Ray, I'm going to select dome light and place it around the center of my object. So once that's done, I should have it lit up. So if I open up the render again, this time it is rendering. So if I click on render again and open it, it will start rendering. If I click on the render button, it will appear. So I have created a render of my bouncy balls falling into the container. So now that I have my Tyflow model all materialized, I can also turn it into a video and an animation and do whatever I want with it. So that's how you assign materials to your Tyflow. I hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for watching.